Hello children, I hope you all are happy and safe today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here, every day we will try to do something new in a fun and exciting way. Let us try to do another tongue twister. She sees cheese. Sounds easy, right? I will repeat it one more time. She sees cheese. I hope you were able to read these three words. Sound simple, right? She sees cheese. Let us read them one more time. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. I think it's very simple. Let us increase the speed a little. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. It's still very simple, right? Let us increase the speed a little bit more. अब कहने की स्पीड थोड़ी और बढ़ाते हैं. She sees cheese, she sees cheese, she sees... Oops, I couldn't do it. I hope you will be able to do it. I hope all of you had fun saying this tongue twister with me. Children, can you all tell me what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word pet animals? बच्चों, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं जब आप ये नाम पेट एनिमल्स यानी पालतू जानवर ये शब्द सुनते हैं तो आपके दिमाग में कौन से नाम आते हैं? You are right. Dogs, cats, fish and a lot of other birds. All of these are pet animals. But have you ever heard the word farm animals? क्या आपने कभी भी खेत में रहने वाले जानवरों के बारे में सुना है? Cow, sheep, goat, all of these are farm animals. गाय, भैंस, भेड़, बकरी ये सारे खेत में रहने वाले जानवर हैं. These animals are very important for a farm. ये सारे जानवर एक खेत के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हैं. Can you all tell me why do you think they are so important? क्या आप ये बता सकते हैं कि ये जानवर इतने ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण क्यों है? Yes, it's because they give us milk, wool, and they also give us meat. They also protect the farm. All of these animals, just like pet animals, are very, very important. Now that we have learned how important farm animals are, let us learn some new words. चलो अब हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखते हैं. The first word is farm. 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 Farm animals like cows and sheep live in a farm. The second word is sow. 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 Farmers sow seeds in the soil. The third word is loaf. 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 Raju bought a loaf of bread from the market. The fourth word is ground. 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 My school has a big playground. The fifth and the last word is baked. 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 I baked a yummy cake for my mother's birthday. Now that we have learned 5 new words, let us now read a chapter. Please open page number 16 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, point your fingers on the words with me. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्टबुक है तो अपनी उंगली को शब्दों पर मेरे साथ रखें. And if you don't have a textbook, don't worry. Listen to me carefully. और अगर आपके पास टेक्स्टबुक नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, मुझे ध्यान से सुनें. Also, the 5 new words that we learned, you have to keep a check on them while we read the chapter. Children, the story that we are going to read today is about a hen, a dog, a duck, and a cat who live together in a farm. बच्चों, आज हम जो कहानी पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो एक मुर्गी, एक कुत्ता, एक बतख और एक बिल्ली की कहानी है जो साथ में खेत में रहते हैं. The name of the story is The Little Red Hen. A little red hen lived on a farm with a cat, a dog, and a duck. One day, she found a few grains of wheat. Children, do you all remember the 5 words that we had learned? Can you see any of them in this paragraph? Yes. Farm. Who will sow the wheat? She asked. Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. Very well then, said the little red hen. I will. So she sowed the wheat. Children, can you all see any other words that we learned in this paragraph? Yes. Sow. After some time, the wheat grew tall with ears full of grain. Who will cut the wheat? Asked the little red hen. Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. Very well then, said the little red hen. I will. So she cut the wheat. Now, she said, who will thresh the wheat? Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. Very well then, said the little red hen. I will. So she threshed the wheat. Children, we have finished reading the first page of our story. Here we saw how a cat, a hen, a duck, a dog all live happily in a farm. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे एक मुर्गी, एक बिल्ली, एक कुत्ता और एक बतख साथ में एक खेत में रहते हैं. One day, the hen finds some grains. She wants to sow these grains. But when she asks all her friends to help, they all say no. So finally, she decides to sow them herself. एक दिन मुर्गी को कुछ दाने मिलते हैं. अब मुर्गी ये दानों को बोना चाहती है, पर जैसे ही उसने अपने दोस्तों से मदद मांगी, सबने मना कर दिया. तो मुर्गी ने ये तय किया कि वो ये दाने खुद बोएगी. After some time, the grains grow tall. Now the hen has to cut these grains. So she asks all her friends to help her again. But they all refuse. They all say, no, I won't. And finally, the hen decides to do it herself. कुछ दिनों बाद ये सारे दाने बड़े हो जाते हैं. अब बड़े होने के बाद इन दानों को काटने की बारी आती है. तो अब मुर्गी ने अपने सारे दोस्तों से फिर से मदद मांगी और सब ने मना कर दिया. अंत में मुर्गी ने ये तय किया कि वो खुद ये दानों को काटेगी. अब दाने तो काट लिए. What do you think happens next? Now that the grains have been cut, it's time to thresh them. So the hen asks all her friends to help her again. But all of them say no. So the hen threshed the grains herself. दानों को काटने के बाद इन्हें पछोड़ने की बारी आई और मुर्गी ने फिर से अपने दोस्तों से मदद मांगी, लेकिन सब ने फिर से मना कर दिया. तो इसीलिए मुर्गी ने खुद ब खुद सारे दानों को पछोड़ लिया. Now that we have seen these three instances, let us see what happens next. When the wheat was threshed, she said, "Who will grind the wheat?" "Not I," said the duck. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the dog. "Very well then," said the little red hen. "I will." So she ground the wheat. When the wheat was ground into flour, she said, "Who will bake the bread?" "Not I," said the duck. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the dog. "Very well then," said the little red hen. "I will." And she baked a lovely loaf of bread. Children, can you all see any other words that we learned today in this paragraph? Yes. Ground, baked, and loaf. Then she said, "Who will eat the bread?" "Oh, I will," said the duck. "Oh, I will," said the cat. Oh, I will, said the dog. Oh no, you won't, said the little red hen. I will. And she called her chicks, and they all ate up the lovely loaf of bread. Children, now that we have seen that the little red hen sowed, cut and threshed the grains herself, it is time to grind them. Now, the little red hen asks all her friends to help her, but all of them say no. So she decides to grind these grains herself. बच्चों, अब हमने देखा कि कैसे ये मुर्गी ने दानों को बो लिया, काट लिया और पछोड़ भी खुद ही लिया। अब बारी है इन्हें पीसने की। अब जब इस काम के लिए उसने अपने सारे दोस्तों से मदद मांगी, उन्होंने फिर से मना कर दिया। तो मुर्गी ने ये तय किया कि अब ये दानों को खुद ही पीसेगी। Now that the grains have been ground, it is time to bake them. The little red hen asks all her friends to help her. But all of them, like we all know, said no. So she decides to bake a loaf of bread herself. अब हमने देखा कि मुर्गी ने आटा खुद ही पीस लिया। अब बारी है उसे ब्रेड बनाने की। अब इस काम के लिए भी उसने अपने सारे दोस्तों से मदद मांगी, लेकिन सब ने फिर से मना कर दिया। तो अंत में मुर्गी ने तय किया कि अब ये ब्रेड भी खुद ही बनाएगी। अब ब्रेड भी बन चुकी थी। Now our bread was also ready. Once the bread was ready, she asked all of them who would like to eat it. All of them said, yes, I want to. But the smart little hen said, no. None of you gets to eat it. Only I will eat it. अब जब ब्रेड बन गया तो उसने सभी दोस्तों को पूछा कि ये ब्रेड खाना कौन पसंद करेगा। तो उसके सारे दोस्तों ने झट से हाथ खड़े कर लिए। उसने सबको कहा कि आप में से किसी को खाने नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ और सिर्फ मैं खाऊंगी। Finally, the hen took the bread to her family and ate it happily with them. अंत में मुर्गी वो ब्रेड लेकर अपने परिवार के पास गई और उनके साथ बैठकर मजे से खाया। In this story, we saw how the little red hen sowed, cut, threshed, grind, baked and ate the loaf of bread herself. Now we have a small activity for you. On your screen, you will see pictures of the hen doing these activities. You have to arrange these activities in the order of first to last. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर कुछ तस्वीरें दिखाई देंगी। इन तस्वीरों में मुर्गी हर एक एक्शन कर रही होगी। आपको इन एक्शंस को पहचान कर उन्हें सही ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है। ऑल द बेस्ट। Now let us look at the answers. The first activity that the hen did was sow the seeds. मुर्गी ने सबसे पहले दानों को बोया था। The next activity that the hen did was cut them. बोने के बाद मुर्गी ने उन दानों को काटा था। The third activity was thresh. काटने के बाद मुर्गी ने उन दानों को पछोड़ा था। The next activity was grind. पछोड़ने के बाद उन दानों को उस मुर्गी ने पीसा था। After grinding, the next activity was to bake. पीसने के बाद मुर्गी ने वो दानों को यूज करके एक ब्रेड को बनाया था। After baking, the final activity was to eat it. ब्रेड बनाने के बाद अंत में मुर्गी और उसके सारे परिवार ने मिलकर उस ब्रेड को खाया था। I hope you were able to arrange all these pictures in their right order. Now let us do another activity. On your screen, you will see some pictures, and along with these pictures will be some situations. I will read those situations for you. You have to guess what is the correct option from the box given below. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर कुछ तस्वीरें दिखाई देंगी। इन तस्वीरों के साथ साथ कुछ सिचुएशंस भी होंगी। मैं आपको ये सिचुएशंस पढ़कर सुनाऊंगी। आपको इन सिचुएशंस को ध्यान से सुनकर इसके लिए एक सही जवाब नीचे दिए गए बॉक्स में से चुनना है। All the best! Can you all see the first picture? The situation in the first picture is Mr. Clean does not like scribbling on the wall. What will he do? Mr. Clean को दीवार पर लिखी हुई चीजें बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद। आपको क्या लगता है अब वो क्या करेंगे? The two options are he will write more and the second option is he will clean the wall. हमारे दो ऑप्शंस हैं। पहला, वो कुछ और लिखेंगे दीवार पर या फिर वो दीवार को साफ करेंगे। What do you think is the correct answer? The correct answer is he will clean the wall. The next picture is Manisha is hungry. What will she do? मनीषा को बहुत भूख लगी है। वो क्या करेगी? Our two options are she will eat and she will play. हमारा पहला ऑप्शन है वो खाएगी और दूसरा ऑप्शन ये है कि वो खेलने जाएगी। What do you think is the correct option? The correct option is she will eat. Today we learnt about different farm animals: buffaloes, cows, sheep, goat and hen. Now I want all of you to ask your family and friends the importance of these 5 animals. How do they help us? अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने परिवार से इन 5 जानवरों के महत्व के बारे में पूछें। ये जानवर हमारी कैसे मदद करते हैं ये जानें। I will see you in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe and bye-bye.